It is the low that just won't go. This thing has been hanging with us all week, and of course it sparked that deluge earlier this week and is still hanging around. If you look back toward the Kentucky-Tennessee border, you can easily pick out that counterclockwise swirl of that upper low and its surface reflection, just kind of wobbling and weakening over western Kentucky, and eventually is going to lift northeast and out of here, but we've got to deal with it for yet another day. It's Thursday. And here you can see upper level winds. That's the jet stream, that swirl pulling out of here, and a ridge setting up southeast. That's the good news for the weekend. That'll explain in more detail coming up. But look at this. 30 days worth of our percentage of normal rainfall here, and you can see that we are running way above what we typically see in a 30-day span by almost 200 to 300%. And of course, those numbers to the east of Fayette County was split in half. We were literally the dividing line between huge flooding and just a regular old rainfall to the west. You can see that corridor of blue, the indication of where the heaviest rain was, that 4 to 5 to even around 6-inch swath that just swamped counties east of I-75. Well, we're still recovering from that. Flash flood watch has finally been discontinued, but we've still got river flood warnings in effect, a couple of flood advisories south and east. So those flood waters are dropping, but still it could be an issue because look at this. We've still got showers wrapping around that low just to head around, go through Paris. We've got additional showers out into eastern Kentucky. So any additional rain we see today, while it's not going to be anywhere near what it was earlier this week, it could cause some problems, especially if you get a little quick burst of heavy rain. So just watch out for that. The future track shows, and you can even kind of see it, a little counterclockwise swirl by later on this evening, and then it should start to pull northeast towards Covington, then up into Ohio and out of here. Good riddance to that mess. Going into the weekend, we have a warm front pushing north. This will be the big warm up for the weekend. We're going to go from upper 60s today into the low 80s and then stay there, and eventually get set up for a much more summery pattern. Now that's good and bad. The good is that we will warm things up. You can even see some breaks in that cloud cover over downtown Lexington at 60 degrees now. The bad is we'll also see scattered showers and storms lingering into the weekend. We've got low to mid 60s out there. We're going to be in the upper 60s today with scattered showers and thunder showers with that pesky low still swirling back to our southwest. They should drop off overnight as we lose daytime heating, and then tomorrow one last parting shot as that low lifts north. A few showers and storms primarily over eastern Kentucky in the wake of that low. And then into the weekend next week, that high sets up southeast. So this is a much more summery setup. We'll have a daily shower and storm chance, pretty much driven by daytime heating and then diminishing into the evening. But it's with us all the way through the weekend. But notice what else is happening. Temperatures in the low to even mid 80s. It's going to warm up just in time for your Memorial Day weekend.